Hello, everyone. My name is Rodney Adams Jr., and today I will be talking to you guys about cloud based infrastructure. What is cloud based infrastructure? Cloud based infrastructure is the backbone for IT resources such as servers, network, storage, and software. These resources can be adjusted to fit a company needs, only paying for what's being used. Instead of having to maintain a data center on site, which can be pretty pricey, most companies use cloud providers. Cloud based infrastructure has several key features, but here are a few that stuck out to me. The first is on demand self services, meaning that users can change their resources at any point in time, whether that be how much storage, software, or services that's being used without the need of human interaction, or without having to contact somebody who works there and saying, hey, I want to cancel, or either I want to stop this, change that. They can all do it from just basically by themselves. Right. Another key feature is pay as you go. It allows for users to only pay for the resources that they use. Lastly, built-in encryptions, access tools, and compliance features, which guarantees the integrity and safety of the data. There are three different types of cloud-based infrastructures. This includes public, private, and hybrid. Private clouds are built and ran and used by only one organization. This is all done in-house, or it is created by them and is only used strictly by them. Public clouds are delivered services such as storage, servers, or network over the internet. These are usually ran by like a third party or given to them by like a third party. And lastly, hybrid. This is a mixture of both one private computing environment with a public cloud. So, a real life example of this is Airbnb. It was kind of a shock when I found this out, but yeah. Airbnb serves millions of people daily across the world. To deliver a fast and reliable experience, they use cloud infrastructure, in particular Amazon Web Services, to store and deliver content such as photos, maps, and listing details. To protect users' data, Airbnb utilizes identity and access management to strictly control who can have access to those resources. This ensures only authorized employees and systems can interact with the sensitive information that's being typed into the Airbnb app or website. Secure and optimized content delivery. Airbnb relies on the cloud to manage and deliver a personalized experience for millions of users while handling critical interface data such as listing images, user photos, map data, and UI assets. The data is usually stored on CloudFront, ensuring media files load quickly across the globe. To maintain data integrity, Airbnb has backup systems and checksums to detect and to prevent things such as corruption. By hosting assets in the cloud and using content delivery networks, Airbnb are able to give users high speeds, low latencies, and better uptime performances while the app is being used. The pros of cloud-based infrastructures. So one of the pros that I found was scalability. This allows for systems to automatically adjust handling more data or users. Secondly, cost effectiveness. Only paying for what's being used, avoiding the need to buy like expensive service. Accessibility. Data and servers are available from anywhere. Lastly, disaster recovery. As cloud providers back up data from multiple locations, this reduces the risk of loss of data due to things such as like earthquakes or like fires or anything like that. They're going to be stored in different locations and they'll be able to get that backup data. The, just as everything has a pro, there are cons to follow with it. The cons of cloud-based infrastructure is downtime risk. Internet outages are still issues that can interrupt access to services. Secondly is security concerns, as storing sensitive data off-site raises risks like data breaches or unauthorized access from like different competitors. Limited controls, mainly relying on the cloud providers for managing infrastructure updates and backups. That it can be a huge risk. In conclusion, cloud infrastructure is the backbone of many modern companies as it allows for organizations to store data, run applications, and deliver services effectively on the internet without requiring on-site physical hardware or either human interference. As stated earlier, the benefits of cloud infrastructures are scalability, cost effectiveness, and accessibility. However, it is not without its challenges, such as downtime risks and also the security issues. These can all be managed through encryption backup systems and smart security tools. In the end, companies such as Airbnb were able to grow quickly because of cloud infrastructure. Alright, well, that is the end of my presentation. I hope that everyone has a great day and that you actually learned something from this. Alright.